Wanna install Genshin Impact on your computer? Well, here's how you can install it for absolutely free. So let's get started. You can install Genshin Impact in two ways, directly from the official website or through Epic Games Store. So let's go over both of these methods. Method 1. Install Genshin Impact from the official website. To do this, open this link in a browser of your choice. Don't worry, you can find this link in the video's description. Now click on the PC download button. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. Then click on Yes to give permission. After that, tick this box and click on Install. Now click on Run Now. Next, hit the Get Game button and it'll kick off the game installation process. After the installation process is done, you should be able to play the game. Method 2. You can also install Genshin Impact from the Epic Games Store. To do this, open up the Epic Games Store. Then click on the search icon here. Now type in Genshin Impact and hit Enter. Next, click on Genshin Impact from the search result. Then click on Get. After that, this page will come. From here, tick this box and click on Place Order. After that, click on View in Library. Then click on Genshin Impact. And then click on Install. Then click on Yes to give permission. And the Genshin Impact launcher should be downloaded and installed on your computer. Next, click on Genshin Impact again to launch the game. And then click on Yes to give permission. After that, click the Get Game button and it will start installing the game. Once the installation is complete, you can start playing. So that's how you install Genshin Impact on your PC without spending a dime. If the vid did you a solid, smash that like button. And if you're hungry for more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, click that subscribe button. Appreciate you for tuning in.